Kinedyne HM-750SH is a super powerful servo motor with intelligent controllers. Now test its performance on HighTex 728-30 extra heavy-duty long-arm double needle sewing machine. When stopped during sewing, the needle stays at down position automatically for pivoting material. Need to slow down the speed when sewing over thick spots or detailed seams? Just press the speed controller. After finished sewing, the needle will stop at up position for easily removing the material. Sometimes we need to move the needle up and down slowly. Just gently turn this needle controller.